amefanya tena kati ya walokumbukwa na mimi amenikumbuka tena. Ona machozi yamekaushwa yote, vijito vya furaha yatiririka tena. Ona huzuni imeondoshwa yote, upepo wa amani wala kusinzia, yuko hai milele. Mungu amefanya tena, Mungu amefanya tena kati ya walokumbuka na mimi amenikumbuka tena. Mungu amekumbuka na mimi amenikumbuka tena. Ona baraka za mimilika tena, milango ya mbinguni imefunguka tena. If you look at me, sio vile nilivale ya kale yalinitengeneza tamaa. Mungu wao anawapigania, halali wala kusinzia, yuko hai milele. Waambieni waliorudi nyuma, Mungu wao anawapigania, halali wala kusinzia, yuko hai milele. Mungu amefanya tena, amefanya tena, amefanya tena, amefanya tena na mimi amenikumbuka tena. Sema amefanya tena, Mungu amefanya tena, amefanya tena, Mungu amefanya tena kati ya walokumbukwa na mimi amenikumbuka tena.
Hey Kachaka, tu me tues tellement que je n'arrive pas à mourir. Yeah. Cha cha, cha cha, cha cha. Yeah. Adouai, Georges Boundou Delito. Oh, ebandaki boye olekaki na yo na nzela na biso nsima na yo couple lokola lacrymogène ezwaki moto nyonso tu. Jean-Marie Lesser ebandaki par hasard olekaki na yo na nzela na biso trouble etikali nsima lingambe edo ezwaki moto nyonso notamment mpenga ye mwena lobesa te motema yango oyo na nzembo na ngai Kachaka ye. Nakosala nye soki apona yonga napesi yo bankombo nyonso ya mungwa mpe ya sukali silobamsa bamenga aliana depuis jour ango ebanga na stopatu nakoma kovivre na ralenti kozela yo bazokeshenga nakosuka wapie soki apona yonga napesi yo bankombo nyonso champagne mpe caviar. Onzele depuis jour ango ebanga na change à tout. Na comme encore vivre sans garantie. Y'a lendemain. Chocolat. Ordinateur par pitié, un jour messager, à même mélange à mouchoir, un bébé sangonaï. Papa Kouloutou na bango, Bob Bopesso.
Aliana Versace, Miss del Miss, Nino Sali Rambo, Akomina Baïde, Folse Mbonayo. Ezala moito butu ma princesse yo
Aliana Charleston
Bayemisa Pavarotti mpona yo basalela yo natation synchronisée chorégraphie yo ya bajeux olympique basalela yo baler Maurice Beja bayemisa mpona yo bafull gospel olinga ye Jésus akaka mande funda ye Aliana Daniela upe babie nini osali akame akomi osambela kando nyonso seyo bolingo na yo ekosanisi ye nyonso
Papa Akan Masengo Dibois.
Has come, please come in. Karibuni sana. We are sorry for keeping you, but we won't take a lot of them. Trade, investment. Karibu sana. Kama ni smart champion, uwe tayari, ndio utaongoza na maombi. Our guests sit down, so be prepared. We appreciate our exhibitors, people of Meru are investors, and who will use this facility, and other investors for Meru, you are welcomed, so that you can invest with us.
that you make the mirror computers. And then I think we have one challenge of the mirror. We cannot sell the mirror. So the product don't relate to specifications because there is that the mirror is categorized. That is categorized in that act. So we are able to assist us so that part is removed and then we can be able to sell it. So that it's now not very flat, but it's okay, it's a plan, but it does happy with this on the other side of the all these are wines from various foods which are locally available, and mostly I consider these indigenous. I say it's indigenous, not exotic. It's like in this yes, but then the value
maybe from where you sit down, as you come up with the business commitment.
Yes, we have our rice. We have the rice in the university. We now invite the collaboration group where they take all the innovations and then it is collaborated so that it's put in one pool so that anybody wanting to access or to do the business with the university or so that it is possible. The university we have that.
Because for production as a sustainability, we need data to inform us. And who is the owner of the data? The county government. You in collaboration with them, we work together so that if anybody wants, whether it will be supported, putting my code there becomes an issue. So we need to see how you can collaborate with the university, work with the journey, because they need to support you with the data. Whoever is smart to look at this, when you go to food production, support is there. It's easy to produce this number of value within a year, so they can be able to support the production of this. And again, then we direct the consumers of this. Yeah.
Very much.
So which department is dealing with this?
This is food science department. That is where you have this product.
So now in other universities, in other countries, we have the local university collaborating with the county. Meru. Because as we want also them to remain competitive, because we are living on our own, which is changing very fast. But we need to support them in terms of innovation. Yeah.
The other question, have you registered with the keeping orders? Can you just report my direction? Not yet. Perhaps what we need to do, because most of these things are agricultural. There is that law that has been pending for many years, so that we support farmers, so that these are unique marks that can be consumed locally, nationally. That's something that
then sasa hii yote nani imeandikwa Zambara is?
Zambara is in English it's called grows in the forest. But the benefits are very good, because if we make the wine, if you have like heart attack, it helps. If you have anything,
helps you to do what?
Yeah?
When you have a heart attack?
Heart attack, it prevents that. The heart attack, if you take this one.
And is it unique to Meru? Is it unique to Meru? Do you have this Zambara fruit?
The Zambara fruit, we have them in university. We have them in university. They are just big plants with purple fruits, and the plants love them so much. So I was interested.
Are they local to?
They are not just to Meru. They are
everywhere.
Yes, yeah.
Zambara, that is
my honest opinion, madam, this would be actually your fasting festival. Grow the banana, grow the banana,
the sugar cane here. This is the sugar cane that very nice wine. This is the sweet banana. The Meru should them as make a Meru, you need the Meru fruit.
Alafu when it comes to naming of these things, you can't use the fruit, because the fruit is a generic name. Like now you can't say banana, isn't it? So it should be wine, Meru, something. Because the fruit is a generic, like cane. Isn't it? Yeah.
So you can get contact from us, Kenya Industry Properties, and the Counterfeit Authority. We are able also to engage with the university and see how we can add value. As we are doing this, trademark is very important. What we are going to sell out here, so that selling that, we have that product that is unique. And what I've also said to Waziri, and I know he's fast-tracking the issues of geographical indication, so that this can happen.
The funds, kazi yetu ile kubwa kwa our indigenous type of crops and make variation on it, because we believe that it contains high nutritional value, high nutritional value, ina boost immunity kwa kiwango ya hali ya juu. So ukiangalia this product just kuona ni bure. Haya, inaitwa extra super porridge ambayo ilinunuliwa na mheshimiwa wetu Mlito huko ndio. So this product imetengenezwa na yam, imewekwa cassava, which cassava ni nzuri sana kwa sababu ya charging systems. Yes, imewekwa pumpkin seeds. It's very good because of zinc. Wakifika miaka 50 wanaanza kulegea, na wasipochunga sana wakifika 70 watakuwa wamelegea zaidi. So lazima tutafute chakula ambayo itarudisha hiyo nguvu katika mwili. This one is a very good custodian. Normally it's a good custodian of zinc. Alafu tumeweka pumpkin hii ni unga ya ndizi. This is banana flour. And banana flour tunaita sabuni ya roho. Hii inaitwa Dr. Kiambi, ama nutritionist. Hii ni sabuni ya roho because tunataka roho potassium. Roho ikiwa na enough potassium inatekeleza wajibu wake ipasavyo. Haya, and then tumeiweka hii moringa aloe vera, and moringa aloe vera ndio hii. Moringa aloe vera peke yake. Na sio vizuri kwa tunakimbilia antibiotics always na painkillers always. Kwanza wacha tujaribu chakula kwa sababu tunaamini chakula ni dawa. Very fast, hii peke yake ni capable kufanya magonjwa 300. It has been researched by 41 universities in the whole world and it has been documented. It has 21 different nutritional value na ina boost immunity kwa kiwango ya hali ya juu. Tena hii imewekwa arrowroot leaves. Kwa hiyo tunaita root. Ile matawi ya ndoma. Hiyo matawi ya ndoma, it's a very good detoxifier. It is kwa detoxification. Ndamu jikosekana kwa mwili, it's very good in iron, ama nutritionist and all that. Na ya mwisho kabisa ni stinging nettle. La Meru. Ukipita karibu naye na kuchoma sana. And this one contains a lot antibiotic. Baada ya kutumia antibiotics, why don't you use kwa sababu it has a lot of benefits. So, yunga in simple tunasema it maintains and it retains all your body system. Ukiwa umekunywa hii asubuhi, ukweli wa mambo, hakuna kitu kingine inaweza kuwa imebaki ambayo hujakipea mwili wako, ambayo inapasa all your body systems to function the way they are supposed to. Na tunasema mtu ni mgonjwa wakati one of the system imefeli kutekeleza wajibu wake. So, ukitaka kuwa ngangari kila wakati mwili wako uwe functional, all the system, tumia extra super power porridge kutoka Kobo Logic. Thank you so much. Yes. I'm a member.
Arabica, eh?
Yes, it's Arabica.
Very good. Santi? And where are you selling? So many local?
Yes.
Not cotton farmers cooperative. Cotton seeds are assisted by they are assisting us so that we can provide the local cotton farming, especially this area. Some areas in Meru right need provide a leadership because cotton is done farming in Meru. And now we want to collaborate together with your ministry because of the value addition. The cotton has a very big chain for value addition, whereby they increase the employment to many that will assist in the earning of the cost. So this one, President has assisted us to get this cotton seeds from Chad, the other one from Cameroon. Before we used to plant cotton from Egypt, it is very expensive. So decided then we get well. It's very cheap. Where does it grow well here? Where does it grow well? Within the
areas.
The dry areas.
Like this area, and Tigania, Ligebe.
They have started planting?
This is the season of planting, especially this week, next week.
How is the interest?
Yeah.
How is the interest?
Interest is very low to farmers because there is a time where cotton was doing well, but now they don't know much. That's why we want even to be assisted.
So we are trying to revive that. Yes. Thank you.
Yes.
Okay.
Exported to US, Europe, and
the market is good.
the market does well.
All the best. Asante.
Our guest of honor, asante sana. Karibu sana. Our CS. Hello. Karibu sana our CS and all other guests. Saidi na leadership wa Assembly wakuja hapa. Then all the guests wale wametoka Nairobi wamekuja na CS wakuja Saidi tafadhali. We appreciate and recognize your presence. Karibu sana CS. We appreciate and happy that you are around. Tuna sign visitors book. Wageni wetu wana sign visitors book ya hii park, industrial park, and we want to start doing business. Then please, you can go at the behind there, register yourselves and get the seedlings. Serikali imepeana mbegu ya cotton na iko pale nyuma. We appreciate and recognize all our guests, all institutions that have come. Please feel welcomed. Thank you for getting time to be with us. We are sorry for keeping you, but we had to wait for our guests. And our program will not take long. Thank you, karibu sana. Our chief guest, our deputy governor, mawaziri na wageni wetu, karibuni sana. Now, before we do anything, we want to start with a word of prayer. Bishop Chairman, Smart Champion Sako, karibu tufungulie na maombi. Karibu Bishop.
Kabla hatujaanza lolote, namsalimia nyote katika jina la Bwana. Amjambo. Tusimame ili tushukuru Mungu. Katika kitabu cha Mwanzo, Genesis chapter 1 verse 1a, and don't get confused. Chapter 1a inasema mwanzo Mungu. Mwanzo ni nani? Ni Mungu. Mwanzo wa mradi huu ni Mungu. Mwanzo wa siku ya leo ni Mungu. Na hata viongozi wetu wamefanya vizuri sana ili tuje katika kikao hiki tuanze. Mtakatifu Mungu wa milele, tuaja mbele zako